VectorPro training, sharing test results. Now that we've created, executed and analysed our test, in this training session we'll look at the many ways that we can share our test results using VectorPro software. First, let's go to the Results tab. There are 5 icons at the top of the display. From the left to right, there are 4 shortcut icons followed by the share icon. The 4 shortcut icons are export to a text file, in this case a comma-separated file or tab-delimited file. Export to Microsoft Excel. This will only work if you have Microsoft Excel installed on your PC that's running VectorPro. Email. This allows you to email the results table along with a screenshot image of the test graph. Right now, this only works with Microsoft Outlook, but we will support more email clients in the future. Finally, the PDF report shortcut. This prepares a PDF document for printing and follows the format that you set out when you created your test. The view you see is the same as it will be when printed, and you have a choice of whether to print to a printer or to save the document as a PDF file on your PC. The share icon is where you can configure the export format for each of these options. When you select the share icon, you'll see a series of tabs for each of the export options and a set of action icons on the left. All options include an automatic export choice, which will automatically export your test results and data, if required, after every test. Care must be taken when choosing to export raw data, because if the test is long and uses a high data acquisition rate, then exporting could be a very slow process and might cause the software to appear as though it's unresponsive. Select Text. Here, you can choose whether or not to include the test raw data and whether to overwrite the data file each time you export. You may choose the file delimiter to be a comma or a tab, and you may set the file path also for saving to. If overwrite is set to off, then the file name will be changed each time by using the time of each export in the file name. You can see similar options under the Excel tab, where you can choose to select the file path, whether to export the raw data, and choose whether to overwrite the file each time you export. After exporting data to Excel, Excel is normally closed, but there's an option here that allows you to keep it open. Next, select the Email tab. Here, we can list all email recipients that will receive an email every time you export. But because of the potential size of the files, there's no option here to export raw data by email. Finally, select the Report tab. If you have a preferred PDF creator software, such as Adobe Acrobat, then you can specify that here. Otherwise, VectorPro comes with its own pre-configured PDF writer. There is an optional password that can secure the PDF file so that only those that know the password may read it. Now that we've configured all of our export options, just clicking on the shortcuts will export our data the way we want it. So that's it for our first series of VectorPro training videos, where we've learned how to create, execute, analyze, and export all of our test results. Look out for more training videos in the future, where we'll go deeper into some of the features of VectorPro. But for now, try some things out and see how you get on. And remember, Mecmesin technical support is always at the end of the phone to help you.